Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate SwitchBot devices with Alexa Smart Skill, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your SwitchBot devices with the Alexa Smart Skill, first, ensure you have the SwitchBot app installed on your smartphone. Open the SwitchBot app and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the Smart Home option located in the app. Next, look for the link to Alexa button and select it. You will be prompted to log into your Amazon account. Enter your Amazon account credentials and tap Sign In. After signing in, you will see a permission request screen. Review the permissions and tap on Authorize to allow access. You'll be redirected back to the SwitchBot app confirming the successful linking. Now, open the Alexa app on your smartphone. In the Alexa app, tap on the device's icon at the bottom right corner. Select the plus icon to add a new device. Choose Add Device from the options. Scroll down and select SwitchBot. Follow the on-screen instructions to discover your SwitchBot devices. Once the discovery process is complete, Alexa will list all your SwitchBot devices. You can now control your SwitchBot devices using voice commands through Alexa. To test this, say Alexa, turn on device name to check if everything is working properly. If you encounter any issues, revisit the SwitchBot app and ensure all devices are properly connected. You are now ready to enjoy seamless integration of your SwitchBot devices with Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.